This is Forbidden Island. It is a fantasy strategy game played with 2 to 4 players. It is beautifully designed with a lot of intricate pieces, and it's played cooperatively, meaning everyone is playing on the same team to try to beat the game. Your goal is to collect 4 precious treasures before the island sinks. Every player is given a special power to help them in this quest. But throughout the game, the water levels are going to rise. And as this happens, different sections of the island are going to flood and even disappear. So while you're playing Forbidden Island, you're working social skills as you think about ways to help each other and work cooperatively as a team. You're also building decision-making, strategy, and reasoning skills. This is Forbidden Island.
I can do 15 laps with 2 cars. Prove it.
You can scan any Hot Wheels ID car, connect the new smart track, and race against the clock. Are you the master of laps? Now you can prove it with new Hot Wheels ID. Set comes with 2 cars, smart device not included, app and Wi-Fi required. Now available.
New Tiny Pong. Pong on. Each sold separately, batteries not included, adult assembly required.
With LEGO Harry Potter, experience the magic of the brick. And go back to Hogwarts to a world of adventure and magical happenings. Explore Hogwarts with all its mysteries. Meet the professors and see all your friends. How the story goes is entirely up to you. Welcome back to Hogwarts with LEGO Harry Potter. Sets sold separately. Also available, LEGO Fantastic Beasts.
Watch out for the dragon. Hang on tight as you take on the new Dragon Revenge Coaster. Build, design, and get ready to experience heart-pounding thrills. The motorized track will give you the power you need to outwit the dragon at every intense turn. Climb to the top and get ready to drop as you race through the sharp turns and flip upside down to escape the dragon. The huge motorized track is adrenaline-pumping fun. But watch out, the dragon is ready to attack. Build your impressive Dragon Revenge Coaster with 584 classic-size K'NEX pieces. Now you have the parts, the motor, and the speed to show the dragon who really rules the lair. K'NEX Dragon Revenge Coaster.